It is time once again for the Hershey RV Show.
Also known as America's largest RV show.
And we are so excited.
And we also have information that you won't find anywhere else, so make sure you stay tuned to the end.
That's right. The show is located at Giant Center in Hershey, Pennsylvania. This year, the show goes from Tuesday, September 13th through Sunday, September 18th. The Tuesday is Industry Day, and the general public comes the next day, Wednesday the 14th.
And this year you save if you buy your tickets in advance.
Those tickets are $12 in advance, $14 day of, except on Saturday where they're $17 in advance and $19 day of.
And you can also get a twilight pass. So if you're not planning to come to the show till after 3 p.m., you can buy your ticket the day of, save some money, and it only costs $7.
And there's still plenty of time to see a lot of vehicles.
That's very true.
It is.
And if you are 55 and older, or you're a veteran, you are retired from the military, or you are active duty, you can also save some money on Thursday. It's only $7.
That's right.
Cool.
That is a good deal.
How about where to stay?
Now, if you're heading up there, they do have dry camping. It's $60 a night. An extra vehicle is $10. And then across the road, you will have free parking. That is dry camping. Absolutely no hookups there.
No, but you can get a honey pot for an extra fee. And for those of you who aren't familiar with a honey pot, what that is, I didn't know what it was either. I'm like, a honey pot? What, they bring you some sweet treats or something?
No. It's for sucking the waste out of your vehicle.
So dry camping is available from Tuesday, September 13th through Monday, September 19th. One of the things we're going to tell you that you may not find out from the other sites is that if you look at the actual Hershey Show site, the dates are wrong.
Right.
We plan to reach out to them and let them know so they can make corrections on their website, but make sure you follow our dates, not the dates that are on the Hershey Show website for dry camping. One thing that's really cool about this RV show that I liked more than the Tampa RV show is that I think they keep the manufacturers all together. So if you look on the map, you'll see that, you have Fleetwood in one section, you'll have Newmar in another section, and you'll have, let's say, Thor in another section. So that makes it really convenient for finding the type of RV that you want. You're not doing as much walking all around the show area. So let's talk about some things about the show that you may not hear on other channels. The first thing is when you are at the show, if you find an RV that you like, you may have the opportunity to test drive that RV. There is a section that's set aside at this show where you can test drive an RV that you may be interested in. And if you can't test drive it at the show, there's no reason why you can't go to the local dealership, because remember, although the manufacturers will be at the Hershey RV show, the units are provided by the dealerships.
That's right.
And so make sure that you're prepared to negotiate and talk to the dealers, and if you want to do a test drive, see if they have a local dealership nearby where you can go and you can take a test drive for that vehicle. The next thing about the show is that there is an app available in the App Store for the Hershey RV Show.
Wow, there's an app for that.
There's an app for that.
That's cool.
So the app is free. You can buy your tickets, you can browse the exhibitor booths, you can find the different education sessions and seminars, and you can even share your experiences if you want. The app is available on the Apple Store and also in Google Play, and it is free. It's probably the only free thing that will be at the show.
The free shuttle.
Oh, the free shuttle, that's true.
Yes.
Now, let's talk about food. The language on their website strongly suggests that you shouldn't bring food into the show area, but it doesn't say that it prohibits food in the show area, so I'm really not sure what to do. You can try it, but to me, if I had some food, I'd put it in a cooler, keep it nice and cool, take a break from the show, walk back to my car, have my lunch.
That's how you do it.
And then go back to the show afterwards. And then you don't have to worry about being turned away at the gate and having to walk all the way back to your car. So let's talk about lines, right? I think this is important.
Yes.
The lines are very long. The later it gets, the longer the lines get. So if you're coming to the show, make sure you're getting there early, unless you have the twilight pass, because you really don't want to show up at 8 a.m. for a 3 p.m. admittance.
Yes, because by the time 3 o'clock rolls around, most people are heading out, not in.
That's true.
So it can be a good deal for you.
Yeah. Here's another a piece of information that we recently discovered about the show, and that is last year there were several manufacturers that weren't able to make it to the show, and there were a number of different issues. We had a lot of supply chain issues, a lot of shortages because people were buying up RVs like crazy, and so there weren't as many units available. This year there are tons of units, and we found out that manufacturers, for example, like Airstream, who didn't come last year, they are going to be at the Hershey Show this year. You are going to want to come to this show. If you are looking to buy an RV, you are going to want to come to the Hershey RV Show this year. A couple more things about the show. We have some announcements. We will be doing live streams from the show.
What?
Yes. We're going to do live streams. And we're going to put a question out on as a community post each morning asking you which RV you want us to tour for you. And we're going to give you John's pet peeve, my favorite feature, and then we're also going to share with you the build quality rating, because we feel that is so very important. And I'm really hoping that with these 2023s that we're going to see coming out, that we're going to see some really good build quality with them.
Yeah.
I could be hopeful. And we really want you guys to come see us. We're going to have some freebies, some giveaways, some swag like we always do. We'll give out some hats and we'll give out some stickers.
Can I get a hat?
No, you already have one. Oh, you're not wearing it?
I'm not wearing it.
Why aren't you wearing your hat?
I don't know.
So please, we want you to come see us. We want you to tell us the types of RVs that you want to review. We're also going to be covering what we think are the five, the top Class A's, the top Class B's, the top Class C's, the top travel trailers, and the top fifth wheels. And this year, we're staying through the entire show. It's close to home. We might as well.
Okay.
Plus, I want to meet people. We're going to put out even more videos about the show as we get closer and closer to the date. And if you're interested in learning more about how to purchase an RV during an RV show, check out this video right here. Why do you look so mean?
I'm looking for the video.